Hi class! Today we are going to finish up chapter 7 with the rest of the material, and then tomorrow you'll have an assignment. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is going to talk about some new trends. Well, Web 2.0 really isn't a new trend. Web 2.0 is over. We use it, it's every day. It's not a new trend, but Web 3.0 is the newer stuff. So let's see what we're talking about. Web 2.0 is the trend toward web applications that are more interactive than traditional. So really this is social networking collaboration. So this was Facebook, Twitter, all of our social networking sites. But Web 3.0 provides personalization that allows you to access the web more intelligently. It tailors all of your preferences and everything. And the main focus is really intelligent apps and artificial intelligence, AI. Blog. So this is Web 2.0. You guys know what a blog is. It's a journal or newsletter that is updated frequently. Then there's microblogs, which is a small blog. Microblog Twitter is a great example of a microblog where it has limited characters. Wikis, that's a website that allows users to add, delete, and modify content. So if we were in class, we would do the one assignment where we edited Wikipedia pages to see how long it took for the info to be verified, if it's stuck, how long it's stuck on. So that's something we school. The drawback is right there, content accuracy. So we could put, all sorts of crazy stuff on a Wikipedia page and see what happens. We could definitely even look at former New York Giant Henry Hynoski's Wikipedia page and see what all's there and see if we can add some stuff about his football coaching career at Schmoken. So that would be fun to take a look and see if it got changed. And corporate wikis. You could have a Wikipedia for your business. And they obviously are more of an intranet thing. It includes tighter security and access controls. So maybe your business is large and you got to find ways to do things. A wiki is a great way to compile information and everybody put their thing in real time. Social networking sites. What can I say about these? You guys know about social networking. So you got Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn is the professional social networking site where you can look for jobs. You can do just about anything and connect with others. You can message. So it's like Facebook, only professional. You don't like post random stuff either. And right there, you can use social networks for promotion. So businesses can use these social networks for promotion. You got Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and you got Yelp, which is restaurant reviews, Foursquare, Level Up. It doesn't mention Snapchat, but Snapchat does have ads. It is used for promotion. RSS, that stands for really simple syndication. So it is a content aggregator. What that means is it distributes web content in XML. You just subscribe. It delivers new content. So you could have an RSS feed where you, how do I explain it? Where you want to know anything new that is posted about Shamokin High School. When I worked at Susquehanna University, the researchers there in our department that would research alumni would have an RSS feed for any obituary that mentioned Susquehanna University. So that way they could pass it off to our fundraising folks and they could go and solicit the families for money. So that's one way that RSS feeds can be used. It's XML. So it's just XML is HTML on steroids. It's a more flexible markup language. That's all you really need to know about that. Podcasts. These are electronic audio files posted on the web for users to download to their mobile devices or computers. You can also stream them. you get a specific URL, and then you have XML item tags. And there's an aggregator. So iTunes or iPodder are aggregators of podcasts. Or you can just go to a website and you can subscribe to them. And you just, and then when you subscribe to it, you get a notification that, they have a new podcast. It's kind of like YouTube, only without video. The Internet, too. That's a collaborative effort involving more than 200 United States universities and corporations. So this really has to do with academic research. Gigapop is a local connection point of presence that connects a variety of high-performance networks. And the main function is to exchange Internet to traffic with a specified bandwidth. So that's what the Internet 2 is. It's really a research thing. The Internet of everything. Everything is interconnected via the Internet. Think of all the apps you have on your cell phones. You're connected. My car is logged into different apps of mine, so that way when I used to work at Bloomsburg University and I would go get in my car in the mornings, it would say like 42 minutes to Bloomsburg, or it would tell me like you need to leave to go to Bloomsburg for this time, and it knew my patterns of when I left to go to work, even though I worked at different times each day because of different schedules. Like it knew everything. So examples are RFID devices, barcodes, wireless systems, QR codes. So that all connects everything as well. And then you have the Internet of Things that are physical objects that are connected to the Internet. They have refrigerators now that are connected to the Internet to tell you what you are low in. Plus there's cameras in refrigerators. There's so many things like Alexa and Google Mini and Google Home and the Nest thermostat. The Ring doorbell, that's all the IoT, the Internet of Things. It's everywhere. Talks about automated inventory systems. That's how Walmart keeps its inventory flowing in. Every time an item is scanned across the scanner at the checkout, it tells the system to take one out of inventory, and then when it hits a certain point, it's automated to kick a message out to the distribution center to say, this Walmart store needs this item. And there's automated and programmable appliances in domestic households, like the Nest thermostat. We have that. We can control it from our smartphones. If I'm at work and I want to turn the heat on at home, I can do that from work. Road and bridge systems, that's another way that is connected to the Internet. Of EasyPass, like it detects that you have an EasyPass in your car and it charges you for the toll. The Internet of Me, that's the subset Internet that gathers and processes information for a given user from the entire Internet and IoT devices to deliver a personalized experience. So think about what the Internet of Me is to you, like what all you have connected and it tracks you. All right, that's all for this chapter. We will see you tomorrow with a quick assignment. Bye, guys.